Vistage members are going to be going through one of the most difficult times in their careers. And we've developed a program to help them through that process. It's called Managing Sales Teams Through Times of Uncertainty. And it has four key areas. The first one is crisis management and daily goal setting, followed by managing customer uncertainty. This is where how they're engaging with their customers and finding new ways to help our customers get through difficult times. The third part, and one of the most important pieces, is selling virtual. This is the nuts and bolts of getting their teams to embrace the virtual selling model. So from setting up a virtual office to how to engage through that process. And the last piece is exploiting new opportunities going forward. I would love to work with you in your groups to do this session. This past week, we worked with Ron Ferguson in Fort Collins and had an amazing conversation and an amazing session with his team. I hope you get a chance to review that. Please reach out to me on 585-732-5666. I'd love to help, love to work with you. Best of luck, and please stay safe.